say it wouldn't really be camping out without a fire. I'm down here in the valley. Got clouds rolling in over there. It's kind of clear over there. Tomorrow it's, well, they're calling for rain or snow. Should be fun getting out of here. But it's not gonna bother me none. I'm gonna sit here and get warm by the fire. It's actually really nice out right now. It's still not cold. I'm still pretty warm from getting in here. Oh, this place, they got a picnic table. And the site that I was gonna stay at, well, it wasn't one of these. I couldn't stay at the original site that I wanted to because that was already taken. There was already a tent set up where I wanted to go, but this will do. Alright, well, gonna eat. God, I love that sound. Love how quiet it is out here.